Good morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of Weekend Diaries with me. So today is very cloudy and wet and cold. So what I'm planning to do today is, after I get some housework done, is snuggling in, watching movies and eating comfort food with the family. So yeah, I think this weekend is going to be very easygoing. Making some lunch. Ron bought some charcoal chicken and I'm gonna turn it into a salad. So ingredients are a red onion, thinly sliced, and I've got some mint, coriander and lime. And I'm going for my salt addition. I will have a little bit of salt, but I'll also have fish sauce as well. Did you want to have rice with this, or you want it with? This will be ready before the rice.
Okay.
My hands are clean, just letting everyone know. I think David Jones has got some sales on, babe.
Yeah.
If we go to the shops tomorrow, we should check out David Jones. I think I might just have the salad without the rice. The rice is just going to take too long to cook. I'm gonna count. Check if the rice is done. Yes, it's done. Gonna grab a plate.
I have a few upgrades courtesy of that gutted badger in the mix.
That was a good movie. Even though you came in the very last few minutes of the movie. The raccoons are all on that ship with all the other animals. I'm going to make myself a nice cup of tea. And what else are we going to do today, Ayla? I have to check up on the washing.
Hey, bruh.
What? Make myself a cup of tea. Just gonna go put some washing in the dryer. Haven't been able to hang them out because it's been raining today. is a Sunday and we are going to quickly go and visit my mum before going to the shops. Just wanted to pop here and show you my outfit of the day. A very rare thing for me to do, but I just thought I'll show you. And just for myself as well. So just classic blue Lee jeans. Handbag is from Seed. Let me just see if I can zoom. Handbag is from Seed. Coat is from Aisler. It's kind of like a trench slash coat. And then the scarf is a chocolate brown scarf from the brand the Tartan Blanket Company. And this t-shirt is just a plain white t-shirt that I've just popped on. Yeah, this is my makeup. And my hair is just quickly blow dried and tucked behind the ears. So I've been thinking, this is a floor mirror. I want to move it because, as you can see, the window is shining a lot of light and reflecting into the mirror, which I love because the mirror reflects then the light back into the space. But I really want a mirror where I can actually check out my outfit before I leave the door. Yeah, I may move this today sometime. So we just finished visiting my mum. It was good seeing her, and my favourite part was when I walked in the door and I could just smell the food that she was cooking. I was like, oh, what did you cook, Mum? And I went into the kitchen and I saw one of the foods that she made for me, or for me and my brothers when we were little, and it was like our comfort food. So I love visiting her and seeing her, but I also love her food as well. And now we are going to the shops to get some stuff and just to walk around. I think there's a few stores having sales, so we just want to see if we can take advantage of that and find anything that we like. Yeah.
기다렸어요. 오랜 시간을 밤이 지나고 빛이 쏟아지길 삶이라는 건 답이 없었고 하루하루가 버거웠던 날들 눈물 짓던 시